Looking for a side hustle? $1,000 to $5,000 commission? Passive income? A replacement of your 9 to 5? Then this video is for you. Mr. Elon Musk fires Twitter employees who criticized him. What do you think? This is good or bad? Elon Musk got a sinking ship. He bought Twitter for $44 billion. And when he got it, Twitter is already in loss. The world is in recession. Nobody has money. People are losing money. Elon Musk is losing money. And he bought a sinking ship. He fired the people responsible for this, and his employees are mocking him. What is he supposed to do? But think about the employees who lost their job. They lost money, right? On the other hand, people are making money. $99,000 in passive affiliate commissions. This is a live Warrior Plus page. I took a screenshot to explain this clearly to you because it's coming to you in the form of $1,000 to $5,000 in affiliate commissions per day. Passive income as a side hustle or side income without the hustle. If you are interested, it's free to start. These incomes are done mainly by bots built by our company. They're free to start. Links are in the description. There ain't any reason you shouldn't start right now. But in this video, we're gonna have fun showing you how to use this bot to make money. So first of all, let's start with this beautifully unfortunate article. So first of all, it's a long article. I know what it says, but I don't have time for this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this whole article up to here, Control C, and I will go to my first most favorite bot. It's free to start. Link is in the description. So I'll go to the content summarizer. I want to get maximum 3, 4 to 5 answers and then click generate. I'll wait a few seconds for the summaries to generate, and boom, the summaries are here. Now I literally have everything I need in order to move to the second bot. But before going to the second bot, let's go back to this screenshot for a moment. You see here $99,000. Super amazing, interesting, everybody wants it, but it's not that easy. It came from all these numbers, but I'm gonna explain you how they work. So stay tuned. So usually what I do, you can skip this part, or you can just go here and click document and open a new document and click new document. You can start from scratch free from with any template, or you can go to the templates and go to one shot blog post. Hey, don't go. This is for the lazy people like you and me. So I'm gonna copy one of these and paste it here and just click generate a blog post. Oh, my bad. 3 blog posts will be generated. Full blog. And boom, boom. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Complete blog post is ready. High definition. Highest quality. Now let's go to the second part. I think I like this one more. So I'm gonna copy this. Has a lot of text. It can be big. So I'll go to Epic. Alright, here comes Epic. Epic is our software. It's free to start. Link is in the description. Epic makes videos without camera and microphone using artificial intelligence from image and text. Epic can write script, but this case we're writing script using another application that we love because it has a lot more features and benefits. But Epic can do it too. And let me show you live how we make videos and run 20 plus channels plus Instagram plus TikTok and make money. Trust me, they are totally related, and I'm going to connect the dots in a moment, so stay tuned. I'm going to click create new and name it Elon firing for criticizing him, and make it a vertical video to cover all videos of Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube shorts. Trust me when I said shorts, look at these shorts. Millions of views of these shorts. I just searched with Elon firing for criticizing him. Look at this. All these shorts have hundreds of thousands of views, 1 minute of work, and nobody cares what this is. If you're just a little bit of careful and watch this video fully to the end, then you will learn how to make money from this short. So let's go back and make our first short without using camera. Click create and your vertical canvas is ready. Epic comes with 2.7 million royalty-free media files to make videos with. So you can just one click and import them into your canvas, play with them, rotate them, place it wherever you want, or delete them if you don't want. Now you see on the right hand side, by the way, Epic turns scripts into natural sounding voiceover. I'm gonna show you that in a moment, but before that I want to show you a trick. You see only one section right here on the right side. I'm gonna copy this. Epic will turn this script into video. Go to the text section, click this button, copy and paste text. Do it, boom boom. Now do a little bit of work. Now you see multiple paragraphs, and the moment I click submit button, look at the right hand side, all the paragraphs became each section or each segment or each clip. In Google presentation or PowerPoint you call it slide. Now click on one slide, you see the first paragraph. Now here comes the beautiful part. I mean, everything is amazing for Epic. We built it that way. We built it to make money for us. By the way, Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Here comes the amazing part. You can copy an image in 2 different ways. Copy image, go to Epic, go to the image section and click this click here button, Control V, and the image is here. Good. Click upload and boom, it's in your library. Click use to import it in your Canva. Now you can do whatever you want. Now let's say you want voiceover for this slide. Simply copy this section, Ctrl C, and go to the audio section. Either you can record your voice directly from your mic to the app using this little microphone icon, or if you already recorded your voiceover into your computer, then you can upload it using here, using the browse button. Or if you're lazy like me, go to the text to audio section, click add, give it a title, select quality, select your favorite voiceover, and then paste the text you want to convert to audio and click submit, and in a split second your text to audio is here. Now I'm playing
Elon Musk's management style. What works and what doesn't.
Good, add, and immediately it's added to this clip. Now this way you can go to the next clip. Your text is already ready. You can format it, reformat it, play around, and maybe you just want to take a screenshot of this, copy it and paste it in the slide. This way you can build your video as you want, and you can save your work by clicking the save button. Come back later, add more sections if you want, delete something if you want. When you are done, you're happy, simply click this render button and your video will be ready in the background, and you will get an email notification when the video is ready. Download that video and upload it to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. You are still confused where the money is. These short videos get millions of views because all these platforms are in competition with each other. Who gets the maximum attention of the audience? So they send you free traffic. Now in your videos, at the end of your video, you should mention that there is a link for more information in the comment. So when people will click the comment, they will see something like this, and you put your affiliate link, whatever you're promoting, in your first comment and pin it. Put it on top, just like this comment. Hey Siri, open TikTok. And on TikTok, your link should be on the bio. Now I have a website of myself, so I put my website link. If you don't have a website, then you can use Maven. Maven builds websites from other people's contents without writing a single word, completely legally. It rewrites the other people's content using artificial intelligence. So Epic is free to start, link is in the description, and Jasper is free to start, link is in the description. It literally took less than 10 minutes to even show you the complete demo of how to make content, hot content, just like taking the content from New York Times and knowing about it completely using the summarizer without reading and wasting time. Take that summary and rewrite a complete article on a hot and trending topic that everybody is looking to read and watch about. Then I took that content, took a couple of screenshots, borrowed images, and there are 2.7 million royalty-free images with Epic that I can use. Turn those texts written by artificial intelligence and even created machine-made natural voiceover, and I'm ready to publish my video. This is how we run 20 plus channels without breaking a sweat, without using camera and microphone, and it can be done using 3 to 5 to 10 to 30 minutes of your time per day as a side hustle or a side income source without the hustle. You should go grab all these resources from the link in the description right now. They are all free to start. When you get these accesses, you will also get a link to complete free training on how to earn $1,000 commission to $5,000 commission per day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're not terrified about the fact that the big corporations are laying off employees. People are losing jobs. It's going to be a bad year. No, it's going to be an awesome year for you. Just start today. Start your side income minus the real hustle and take one more step to kick your 9 to 5 in the butt. And all our applications are free to start. Links are in the description. Watch our other videos on the channel and hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and social media walls like Facebook and Twitter walls, so everybody else learns about it and get free. If you want to know about how this lady earned $3 million for her company from an underrated website, then watch this video here, and we'll see you in the next video.